Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will see how you can achieve a semi-modular kitchen in just 5000 rupees. Before we move further, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to like this video. So let's start with this one. In this video we will cover mainly two things. One thing is the setup itself. I'll show you the arrangement and I'll give you the installation tips, okay? And then we'll discuss the pros and cons. So we'll discuss these two things. So what you see on the top, these are two baskets, okay, the utensil baskets, and these baskets I purchased online from Amazon. You can also explore. I'll put the link of this product in the description. See, these baskets are available in all the sizes, so you can measure the size in your kitchen and accordingly you can buy, and most probably you'll get all the sizes. There's no problem, okay? And these are the same baskets which are used for the modular kitchen, okay? But here we have not installed as a modular kitchen. You see those white stands, okay? These baskets are just placed on top of it. So I'll show you the stand now. So these are the stands, okay? A pair costs about 600 rupees, okay? This also I bought from Amazon, and I'll put the link of this product also in the description. You can explore, okay? So these stands are actually called the microwave stand, okay? And these are used to place a microwave, and these are very heavy duty metal stands, and these are flexible. The depth can be adjusted. The minimum is about 9 inches, and it is expandable up to 18 inches, okay? And if you see the thickness, this is about 2 inches. The thickness is about 2 inches. So a pair is sufficient enough and good enough to hold the basket comfortably. It will never fall, okay? So that's about the arrangement. And you see these stands are very easy to install. If you are comfortable with the drilling machine, if you have a drilling machine at home, then you can install on your own, okay? So it's very easy. You can buy online and then install, okay? And these are multi-purpose. Tomorrow when you dismantle this whole setup, and if you go for the actual modular kitchen, these won't go waste. They have hundreds of use cases in your home, okay? So that's about the arrangement. You see these stands, the baskets are just placed on top of it. There is no special installation for the baskets. They are just placed on top of it. So let me just place once again and just show you. So now I have kept the baskets on the stands. Now I'll give you the tips for the perfect installation and how you can achieve this whole thing. See, this is not the actual modular kitchen, so there is no channel, telescopic channel to drag them outside. Although you can drag it, but if you drag it too much, then it will fall. So that's not the purpose. How you have to achieve this? See, you can install at a certain height, and you can keep the sufficient gap between the the slab and the basket, so that the utensils can be easily accessed, okay? So you cannot install too many baskets, okay? You have to keep the sufficient gap, and so that you can access the utensil easily, okay? So see, the initial setup will not cost more than 5,000 rupees, and you can start with 2 or 3 baskets, and that would cost somewhere close to 5,000 rupees. And then if you like it and if you have more needs, then you can keep expanding based on the requirement and the space availability, okay? So now let's discuss about the pros and cons, okay? See, if you compare this with the modular kitchen, obviously this doesn't look as attractive as that one. But if you compare it with not having any arrangement, then this looks more organized, okay, and more accessible. So this is at least better than not having any arrangement. That is first advantage. Now second advantage, see, because everything is visible and everything is open, so the cockroaches and the other mosquitoes will not stay there, and even the dust will not deposit. Everything can be easily cleaned, okay? And this is kind of a lifelong setup. These will never go waste, okay? Tomorrow when you go for the modular kitchen, these baskets can be reused, the stands can be reused, and because there are no the telescopic channels and there is no wood involved, these will never get damaged. That's it for this video. If you like this content, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.